there! Another box, another unboxing, and of course, another review. But this time, let's do something different. I won't say a thing. My lips completely sealed. But I'm agreeing. Let's Strix go! I hope you liked it. It seemed quite good. And this is part 1. Since this is a just enclosure, you will need an SSD to go along. I didn't want to go blasting with an expensive one, like an MP510 from Corsair or WD Black, or even a Samsung Evo. So I bought cheaper one, WD Blue SN550 I think, rated for 2400 megs read per second, something like that. So let's unbox it. A simpler unboxing, but somewhat effective, I guess. And that's it. Yeah, it's not RoG products, but there you have it. And this was part 2. Let's head out to the final part and assembly. Assembly time. Well, it does bring along this small tool, so should be easy, right? How much complicated can it be? Oh, just popped out. And we have some thermal pads. And what's that? More thermal pads. Great. Small M.2 screw, which conveniently should be, well, it's toolless, alright. You can do it with your thumb. Yes, you can. Oh, that's pretty simple actually. Let's just put the Mr. storage in. So just go like this. Simple. Pick the thumb screw, just put it down, soft and easy. Just, oh yeah, that's simple, alright. You can use it to give the final, not too much, I guess. It's well slotted in, but that's it. Well, I'm sure now it's just fuel. Please initialize your new blank SSD before using it. Let's close it up. I think it's about it. Oh, yeah, that's about it. Now it's closed. Nice. And now, speed. I'm not gonna do synthetic benchmarks here. You have plenty of that on YouTube. So let's stick with just a copy and paste a large video, because that's the purpose for my external drive. To store and to edit from. As you can see, using a mechanic external drive or even cheaper NAS, you won't get far. For storage, okay, but for editing, now check this out. It looks like an internal drive using USB-C 3.2 RGB, because if you can run games faster with it, while not write files faster with it, no, maybe not. Just open your usual software from RoG and sync it with your stuff. Look at that, just beautiful. Final thoughts. Well, it's practical, has an excellent package, simple assembly as you saw it. It's easier to carry. It has a clip, a rubber, protection rubber, 2 USB cables, C to C, A to C, and I wish the cables were a bit bigger though, but it's approved. Don't forget it. If you like it, share it, and subscribe. See you next time.